Hello everyone and welcome to our video series on Learn German Grammar. In this video, you will be learning the difference between two dative Präpositionen, aus and von. We will be doing a few examples and in the end there will be a small exercise. You can download a free worksheet based on this lesson from our page on patreon.com. So let's begin. Aus oder von. Let's first look at two examples. Der Bus kommt von der Schule. Sie nimmt ihre Karte aus der Tasche. A lot of people get confused whether to use von oder aus in both these contexts. Let's see how to differentiate between them. The preposition aus would be used when something is contained in something. The card was in the purse. Von is used when something is not in but around something. For example, the school bus was not in the school but maybe in front of the school. Let's look at another example. Sie ist in der Schule. Sie kommt aus der Schule. Since she was inside the school, you will use the preposition aus. Sie kommt aus der Schule. In the second case, sie ist vor der Schule. Hence, you will say, sie kommt von der Schule. Here's another example. The bottle was in the refrigerator. Hence, nimmt die Flasche aus dem Kühlschrank. In the second sentence, the bottle is not inside the refrigerator but on top. Hence, you will say, nimmt die Flasche vom Kühlschrank. Here's another example. Nimmt das Geld aus der Tasche. Nimmt das Geld von mir. Well, this was the basic case where there is a confusion between using aus and von. These two prepositions have other uses as well. Let's go through them. The first one is von. And here's the first example. Kommt gerade von der Arbeit. Since von is a dative preposition, die Arbeit will change to der Arbeit. Von der Arbeit. If the article would have been der or das, they would change to dem. Hence, von dem or vom. For example, in the next one. Hast du vom Chef etwas gehört? Der Chef changes to dem Chef. Von together with dem changes to vom. Let's look at the next example. Das Auto ist ein Geschenk von meinem Vater. In some cases, the preposition von can be replaced by the genitive article. For example, in this one. Das Auto ist ein Geschenk meines Vaters. You can revise genitive by watching our video on the same. The link is given below. Let's look at the next example. Die Tochter von meiner Mutter ist meine Schwester. Here also, von could be replaced by genitive. Die Tochter meiner Mutter ist meine Schwester. Not in all cases you can replace von with genitive. For example, in this one. Der Unterricht ist von Montag bis Freitag. Now let's look at some more uses of the preposition von. Ich fahre von Frankfurt bis Paris. In the last two examples, the preposition von is used together with the preposition bis. Let's look at the next one. Gib dem Kind etwas von dem Kuchen. Some verbs in German take some specific prepositions. These are known as Verben mit Präpositionen. So there are a few verbs that take von as the preposition. For example, verstehen von. Verstehst du etwas von Computersoftware? Some other verbs that take von as the preposition are sich erholen von, hören von, abhängen von, etc. Let's move on to the preposition aus. And here's the first example. Trinkt Bier meistens direkt aus der Flasche. Aus is also a dative preposition. Hence, die Flasche will change to der Flasche. If the article would have been der or das, it would change to dem. For example, trinkt Bier meistens direkt aus dem Glas. Another common use of aus is with countries and cities. For example, kommt aus Vietnam. Und du? There are a few countries that take an article. If you want to know which ones, you can watch our video on the same. The link is given below. You would also use the preposition aus when you are talking about the material of something. For example, diese Kette ist aus Gold. And here's another use of the preposition aus. Sie kommt aus der Schule. Let's look at the next one. Hilft ihr aus Mitleid. When aus is used with a human emotion, then it is used without an article. Just like the preposition von, the preposition aus is also used with some fixed verbs. For example, bestehen aus. Ein Tag besteht aus 24 Stunden. Other verbs that take the preposition aus are retten aus, aufwachen aus, entstehen aus, etc. Great! Now let's do an exercise to see how much you have learned. Übung. You have to fill in the blank with either aus or von. And here's the first sentence. So the answer is kommt aus Japan. Und du? We just learned that when we are talking of countries or cities, we will use the preposition aus. Here's the next one. And your answer should be nimmt die Bücher aus seinem Rucksack. Now, since the books were inside his bag, you will use the preposition aus. Let's move on to the third sentence. And your answer should be Sie hat ein Haus aus Holz. Whenever you're talking of material, you have to use the preposition aus. Here's the next one. And your answer should be Der Brief ist von meinem Vater. And here is the next one. And your answer should be Sie arbeitet von Montag bis Mittwoch. If you want to practice some more, you can download a free worksheet from our page on patreon.com. The link is given below. Great! Hope you enjoyed this lesson. Danke! Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos. You can click on the bell to receive notifications whenever a new video is uploaded. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. Tschüss! Auf Wiedersehen!